Hello and welcome back to my workshop. Today, continuing in the Christmas market theme, I'm going to be building these little fellas. Christmas elves, Christmas whatevers, gnomes. So having got my post into a state where I can use it, I watched a video on making these gnomes and I couldn't actually find a pattern anywhere. So I just sketched out with a Sharpie pen roughly what I thought it should be, and printed that out on A4. And then I have actually just made one as an experiment. So he hasn't been sanded and he hasn't got a nose, but he's a perfectly acceptable little Christmas elf, Christmas gnome. So once I put his nose on, he'll be fine, and I haven't sanded him either. So that's today's project. So I'll put you on silent, put you up high so you can see what I'm doing, and here we go. So I hope you enjoyed that. Just a very simple build on the bandsaw with a lot of sanding, and obviously had to do a lot of work on a little bit of work to the wood first before I could actually start. But that's it. So if you've enjoyed the video, please like the video, and if you've got time, it would be amazing if you could subscribe to the channel. I'm slowly getting towards my 1,000 subscribers, which is my target. So please help if you can. And in the meantime, till next time, stay safe.